Welcome! In front of me I have Zepp E watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the language on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page. On this page you should see the list of my devices, and on the list of my devices you should see the Zepp E watch. Tap on it to select it. Here find the option called watch settings and tap on it, and then find the option called system language and select it. This will open the list of languages, and here you can scroll through the list by swiping up and down on the screen. Now find the language you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and after you select the language, tap on the OK button to save the settings. And now when I wake up the screen on our watch, you will see that the language changed. And once you're done, you can turn off or rather close the application. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.